Hi guys, what's up? It's Manav. Today I am going to help you. After installing the Wampserver on Windows 7, which is 64-bit, I got some error message, DLL file missing error message, and the icon is yellow on system tray instead of green. When I go to MySQL console, the same error message is showing, and the same on PHP My Admin page. It's not working. I will help you how to solve this issue. Please follow the procedure. My system type is 64-bit. So I need to download Wampserver 64-bit from the site wampserver.com. After installing the Wampserver, after downloading the Wampserver, need to download MSVCP120.dll and MSVCR120.dll. Please make sure to download both 32-bit and 64-bit. I already downloaded files on a separate folder. For 32-bit file, I download a separate folder. Same way, I download 64-bit on another folder. Then I copy 64-bit files from the folder and paste it to Windows 32 folder. Just to paste. Then I'm going to copy 32-bit files and paste on Windows SYS, this folder, SYSW0W64 folder, and then just restart my server. Is going to red, so need to run the Wampserver again. The icon is on my window desktop. Find it. Just double click on the icon. There is no issue found. It's working. Let me check the icon. Yeah, it's green. It's working perfectly. Let me check on the MySQL console. There is no errors. It's also working fine. Yeah, there is no issues. Let me check PHP My Admin page. Let's check. Yeah, there is no issues. It's working perfectly. Okay, thank you guys for watching my video. Please give thumbs up and share my video. Thank you.